guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be slightly different. I have brought myself a Mark 5 Volkswagen Jetta 1.4 TSI SE122 HP. At one point I had a 4Motion Mark 4 Volkswagen Golf V6 and I absolutely fell in love with it. So I'll be driving this. I picked it up for £1,000, which isn't too bad. High mileage, it's got about 150,000 miles on it. I've had to replace the bonnet on it. So far it's got the Vortex front bumper, it's got the 30 edition front lip on it. It does need a little bit of touching up. We've got the honeycomb front grille. So far what we have is the 1.4 TSI SE 122 HP engine. We're running it on the cold air filter. It's not a great air filter, it actually came on the car, just haven't replaced that one yet. It's doing its job for now. Today we are going to be uprating our coil packs, and what we have is a set of radium NGK plugs, and we've gone for high on boost the EA111 1.4 TSI performance coil packs. So what we're going to do is we're going to fit these today, and they are going to complement my GFB Diverter Plus, which we fitted last week. This one, they're about £120. We actually picked this up on Facebook. It only done 2,000 miles on a Golf before we crashed it, and we got it for £50, so absolute bargain. I've added my boost gauge, which is down there. I've done that myself. So there's my boost gauge. So this boost gauge I bought about 40 quid off of Facebook, all complete with the unit. I've replaced the front lights from the straight silver front lights to the GTI black insert lights. Make the car look better, a lot better aesthetic wise. And then on top of that, we have got, if you can see it down there, we're running the 200 cell sports catalytic converter with a straight pipe that runs all the way straight through. And we've got back box delete, as you can see here, back box delete all the way down. We've got no resonators or anything like that, a straight through pipe. We've got a tiny little lip on the back. I'm not really a fan of massive spoilers, but the reason why I like this is because it reminds me of the old Cavalier GSIs. When you look at the back end and they had just a tiny little lip. So anyway, let's crack on. So first things first, I've had to take this out, take this off, pull the cover off. That was just 6 bolts down there. Be honest with you, mine's broken, didn't have any bolts in it, it's actually just sitting on there. I need to get a new one. Reason for changing these coil packs: one, I want to get my car stage 2 ready, because we're getting there already with the exhaust, the filter, the DV valve. We got everything going on ready. I'm not going to bother doing the turbo yet. I will change the actuator, and I do need to do the front mounted intercooler. But the main reason why I'm changing these now is because I've been having a little bit of misfire under load in third gear. Common problems with that is normally plugs or coil packs. I just thought I'm going to jump the bullet. I'm going to buy both today. We've got the high on boost 4-pack coil pack. The packaging was absolutely phenomenal. It was so cushy in that little box, wrapped up in all its bubble wrap and stuff like that. So it's, I'll have to say guys, absolute credit where credit's due. The wrapping, the packaging was brilliant. I ordered it yesterday, and I got a thank you letter from them saying get high on boost. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to get high on boost.
This is how the engine idles before. Pretty burnt out, well, looks like. That's it.
Right guys, there we go. There we are, our high on boost, high performance coil packs with our NGK Irradium spark plugs, and this is now what it sounds like after they've been installed. There you go. Obviously, when it's sort of just idling, we're not going to notice much, but I'm going to take it out for a little drive now. And obviously, like I said, it was hunting a little bit in third gear under load. So I'm hoping this is going to sort the problem out. If not, then we'll get back under the bonnet and we'll check it out. But if you want to carry on with watching what we're up to, guys, please stick with us. Watch, please like, subscribe, hit that notification button. And cars isn't the only thing I do. I also do travel videos, and I also do TV and film location videos. So yeah, jump over, let's have a look, and I will crack on with Toothless. That's what I've called the car. And we are going to get her stage 2 ready. Like I said, all I need now is a front mount intercooler upgrade. I'm going to change the actuator so I can push her up to 1.2 bar boost, and then we'll go from there. As an absolute guess, it is a 122 HP standard, but it's definitely not running at 122 HP with all the mods we've put on it so far. I mean, it's not a great deal, but it must have at least 20 on it. Anyway, guys, let's crack on. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification button, and I will carry on upgrading.